Well, I am outside of a townhouse that I just bought. The renovation for this one's gonna be about $30,000. There's absolutely nothing we have to do outside. That's all taken care of by an HOA. Inside, we're just gonna have to do a lot of cosmetic things. So we'll repaint all the baseboard heaters white, how they should be. We're gonna replace this tile with a LVP landing. We'll put new carpet in. We'll redo this upstairs bathroom. We're gonna recarpet this living room, paint all the walls, take that wood board off, and there's a bunch of styrofoam and crap on this wall. Weird stuff going on. We're just gonna throw all that away. We'll gut this kitchen and redo it. Everything in the same spot, but just nice and new stuff. And that'll all cost about $30,000. We don't have to touch the furnace. We don't have to touch the water heater. It is a boiler system, so there is no furnace, but we don't have to touch the water heater. There's a swamp cooler that's in good shape for AC, so we don't have to touch that. The downstairs bathroom has been completely redone, so we just have that upstairs powder room to redo. We'll carpet this whole basement to keep it low cost. We'll fix all these baseboard heater covers, paint them white, new light fixtures, wall paint. We will paint in this room, but we're not gonna redo that shower that's already been redone, or the floor is nice. We won't redo any of it. So that's what we're up to in this one. That's what a $30,000 renovation looks like. We will have it done here in about, probably 7 weeks. The schedule's gonna get drove by the time it takes to get the cabinets here, get them installed, get them templated, get the countertop made, installed, and then do the tile backsplash. So that'll be the critical path. We'll have it all done in about 7 weeks. I'll show you what it looks like, and we will, hopefully get on the market just before Thanksgiving. So the timing of this one is pretty terrible. Unless it sells right away, which it probably won't in this market, we're gonna be sitting on this through the holiday season. So a backup plan might be to keep this one as a rental, but I kind of want to do the same renovation either way. Anyway, that's what we're up to with this one. I will show it to you when we're done. Thanks for watching.